fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase me slow. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Alright, y'all. So this morning I'm gonna be making me a babe some ham biscuits, you guys. I'm using some leftover ham that we have over from Thanksgiving, and I already did the biscuits, you guys. The biscuits are so good. And then I'm gonna do some hash browns. So that's gonna be our breakfast for this morning. The kids ate cereal and the other kids are off to school, so that's how we are starting our morning. Yeah, that's how we're starting our morning, you guys, with some biscuits and some hash browns. I have to go out and do a couple of errands today as well, so hopefully you guys will see that in today's video. And then I also will be putting up Christmas decorations today. Fingers crossed everything goes as planned. So yeah, you guys, just wanted to come and say hello, get today's video started. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day today. I'm having a great day so far, so good this morning. It's about 10 o'clock, so yeah, talk to you guys in a little bit. Y'all, so these hash browns came from Addie's and they're so good, y'all. Oh yeah, here's my ham biscuit. Y'all, so good. Ain't it good, Bill?
Yes!
Oh my goodness, y'all. So I ended up giving the girls some. So good.
I feel good.
This is the honey biscuit.
That's a honey biscuit.
Yeah, I cook these biscuits to perfection, okay? Yes, ma'am. Talk to y'all later. Y'all, how beautiful are these flowers? Y'all, this is behind the scenes of us trying to put this Christmas decor together, and I'm doing curtains right now. It's a lot. It's ridiculous, y'all. We already got the tree up, and I wanted to show you guys the whole 9 yards, but I'm just going to show you guys the after effects of just putting this Christmas decor up because it's too much, okay? As you guys can see, look at it. So much. So much. So, yeah. Now, I'll be back. Yeah, so we're in the kitchen trying to get this dining room area together now. It's a lot, y'all. So much. We're not even, look at all this stuff. We're not even halfway done. Look at the living room. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. But I'll be back.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. We've no place to go. it snow, let it snow.
Actually, Lucy, my trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down.
I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
Hey guys, so right now I got baby Legend and I'm sitting on the bed, you guys, eating my dinner for tonight. Just some salmon croquettes and just a handful of rice, you guys, because I'm not trying to gain any weight. I'm trying to do some exercise once I get cleared for my 6 weeks, but so far I just been wearing my waist trainer and girdle underwears. Anything we can do, y'all, to get the stomach to go down, okay? And I'm definitely here for the body, y'all, because it's looking good. So, yeah, I'm happy. I lost 30-something pounds, 35, probably more now, but I'm just so happy because, yeah, y'all. But I just wanted to come say hey, show my face, and yeah. Alright, y'all, so being that me and husband has been sick as well as the kids, I decided to get us these foot detox pads, you guys. And at first I was like, okay, they're good, they're working, they're all ready to see the results. And honestly, y'all, I swear, we literally put our socks on and it started coming off our feet. I was highly disappointed. But anywho, that was that. I just wanted to come and let you guys know about these detox packs. I got them from Walmart. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, guys.